Dry, dull lips? Meet the honey-infused savior you've been waiting for. We've all been there, dry, cracked, and dull lips that no balm can seem to fix. You swipe, slather, and smear, but hours later, you're back to square one, battling dryness and discomfort. Your favorite lipsticks cling to flakes, and glosses feel like glue. The endless cycle of applying and reapplying has you frustrated and your wallet lighter. You've tried the trendy products, but nothing works as promised. What if there was a solution that didn't just mask the problem but transformed your lips, leaving them hydrated, smooth, and glowing like never before? Enter Gisou Honey-Infused Hydrating Lip Oil, a revolutionary lip treatment powered by nature and perfected by science. Inspired by Mirsalehi honey's legendary hydration properties, this lip oil was created to end the cycle of dry lips for good. With a lightweight, non-sticky formula, it glides on effortlessly, delivering instant moisture and a glossy, golden glow. Rich in antioxidants and nourishing oils, Gisou sets out to rescue your lips, restore their natural beauty, and create a luscious pout that feels as good as it looks. Could this golden elixir be the answer you've been searching for? Clinically proven to provide up to 8 hours of hydration, Gisou Honey-Infused Lip Oil doesn't just coat your lips, it penetrates deep to replenish and repair. Hyaluronic acid plumps and locks in moisture, while jojoba and Meadowfoam seed oil smooth and soothe. The honey gold hue adds a touch of radiance, and the fresh honey scent delights your senses. Unlike sticky glosses or ineffective balms, this lip oil delivers visible results after just one use. Whether worn alone or over lipstick, it transforms lips into soft, hydrated perfection with a natural shine that lasts all day. Using Gisou isn't just a treatment, it's a ritual. Imagine waking up with lips that feel supple, nourished, and effortlessly radiant. No more struggling with dry patches or constant reapplications. This lip oil simplifies your routine, saving you time and money by replacing multiple products with one multitasking hero. It's lightweight enough to use anytime and anywhere, making it a beauty essential that fits seamlessly into your busy life. Each swipe is a step closer to lips that look and feel irresistible, day after day. Now, you can say goodbye to dull, chapped lips and hello to a glossy, hydrated smile that turns heads. Gisou Honey-Infused Hydrating Lip Oil is more than a lip treatment, it's a game-changer, beloved by beauty enthusiasts for its high-quality, vegan formula and undeniable results. Your lips deserve the best, and this golden elixir delivers everything you've been searching for and more. Why settle for mediocre when you can achieve greatness with Gisou? Your perfect pout is just a swipe away. Let your lips shine with the magic of honey.